So, in this today's session, we are going to discuss about one of the main topic of the project, which is called as an ES. And what exactly by the ES in the sense of enterprise structure. So, in the first of all, whenever the project has been started, the project will be starts from the enterprise structure. So what we are doing in this enterprise structure is we are learning now E to E. E to E. What is an E to E? End to end. End to end implementation. That means from the starting of purchase, from the starting of capital investment, the business organization, the capital investment of business and the purchase. After that, purchase. From the purchase, the sales, and when during of the sales, what is the profit? When during of the sales, what will be the profit? This is called as an end-to-end implementation. What we have invested as a business partner, and what we have made a purchase, and what we have made a sale. After sale, what is the profit we are getting? This is the business organization strategy. So, as like this, whenever the client is asking this end-to-end implementation, first of all, we have to know that what is the client's organization structure, or else which we can call as an enterprise structure. So, in generally, in an enterprise structure, what will be happening, or what are the things we should have, in the sense of the first thing which we required here is that company. It is a company. And what do you mean by a company? In the sense of the company is the highest level of the organization which is not responsible for any of the activities. That means it is a group. Simply we can call it as a group of the company. And the next one, after completion of the group, we have to go for the company code. So what exactly by the company code? Under the group, whatever the subsidiaries will be there, those subsidiaries which is called as a company code. Group is the company and the subsidiaries are the company code. And the third one which is called as a consolidation business area. So what was the consolidation business area in the sense of whatever the company could have in the physical offices, physically where they are doing the businesses, that is called as a consolidation business area. Either by the zonal wise or state wise or country wise or the regional wise, whatever it was. So it was called as a name. Geographical area. Geographical area means physically where the office is located. And then business area. And what is the business area in the sense of from which the place or area the company for getting the revenue? On which place area the business is going on which of the place or area the business is running, which is called as a business area. That means which we can call it as a revenue areas. Which we can call it a revenue. So first of all, let us see how it will become. For making of these four, the menu part is a SPRO, IMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and that first one, define company. The transaction code is OX15. And the second one, company code, OX02. And the third one, consolidation business area, OCC1. OCC1, right. And then business area, OX03. These are the first. So let's take a break here. Let me check it out how it was. SPRO, IMG, PRO, ING, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define. Even if you don't know the transaction code, we can see from here. See, additional information, display key, and then ING. You can get that what is the transaction code for this one. This is the transaction. And the first, define company. So select new entities. What is the company you want to manage? And the company is in a group or the combination of all the business activities which comes under as a company, and it is in a group of company, and it can be the maximum of 6 alphanumeric. Max of 6 alphanumeric. What do you want to put for your maximum of 6 alphanumeric digits? Something. So here I am giving here as a for the 6 alphanumeric digits as a let's take as a Bosch. So which I am saying that Bosch engineering. And what will be the country? And what will be the language? And what will be the currency? And even if you want, you can fill this one also. Let's take as a Mumbai and the postal code and the post box and the street, and then save. It was proposing the error. Why? Because always the postal code uses 6-digit, but I have given the 7-digit. That's why it proposing that. Now here, create your own request in the name of Bosch Engineering. Right? And as like as come back. Again, the second thing is a company code. Here in the company code, I need to download the edit company code data. Select new entries. Select new. There the company code. The company is the maximum of the 6 alphanumeric digits, as well as the company code is in a 4 alphanumeric. BOS1. Bosch 2. And which I am saying it was located in Delhi, country of IN, currency of INR, and language of Indian and state. And this is the company and as well as the company code. The company and the company code. Right? Okay. So this is called as a company code. So whenever you have done with the company code, and the third one is in a consolidation business. For making of the consolidation business area, from here, the same menu bar, nothing will be changed. Within the same menu bar, we have to go for the consolidation business area, that is the maintain consolidation business area, by using the OCC1. CO. Structure, definition, financial accounting, maintain consolidation business area, and here select entries. Select entries, and here BOS1, which I am saying that Andhra Pradesh, which I am taking as a state wise. Taking as a state wise. And as well as BOS2, something else, Tamil Nadu. And as well as BOS3, Karnataka, and then save. This is what we can call it as a consolidation business areas. I am having the 3 state offices, and after completion of this one, I have to go for the business areas. which is called as an OX03. OX03, which we can call as a revenue invoice. Yeah. Select new invoice. BOSA, which I am saying that Hyderabad. BOSB, which I am saying as an Vizag. BOSC, Chennai. BOSD, Coimbatore. BOSE, Bangalore. BOSF, Mysore. And then save. This is the first part of the enterprise structure in ED. And the second part, after this, the second part will becomes with the plan, which is called as a plan. What do you mean by the plan? Plant is nothing but like a manufacturing unit. Plant is nothing but like a manufacturing unit. So whenever in this manufacturing unit, one company code can have a multiple of the manufacturing unit. That means one company code can have a multiple of individual plants, and the relation in between of the company code and the plant is in a 1:many. One company code can have the multiple of the plants. That's why which we are calling as a 1:many. And even the second one is the divisions. Divisions is nothing but like a product ranges, which we can call it as a wide ranging spectrum of the products. Wide ranging spectrum of the products. In the Bosch engineering tools, so for example, what are the different things will be there? Nuts, one division. Bolts, one division. Equipment, one division. Machineries, another division. As like I said, the pharmaceuticals, antibiotics, anti-ulcerants, cardiac. Like that, there should be multiple things. As like that, whatever the divisions which you are having, that is the second one. But, and the third one, storage location. When we have purchased the stocks, after purchasing of the stock, where the particular material has been going to store. Where the particular material will be going to store. That is called as a storage, which is called as a storage point. Not the godown. Not the godown. Storage location means whatever the stock which we have made a purchase and has to be manufactured. Does not manufactured. Has to manufacture is comes under the storage location. That's why the relation with the storage location is not assigned with the company code and the sales of material. It should be with the plant. And the plant to multiple storage. One plant can have the multiple storage. And the fourth one, which is called as a purchasing organization. Nothing but like a departments of the purchasing. One is the raw material purchase organization, one is the packing material purchase organization, one is the chemicals purchasing organizations, as like this, which you can call as a purchasing department. And for creation of these four, first of all, let's see, these two will be separate. Instead of the financial accounting, it will be comes under the logistics unit. Under that, first one is the plan. See, let's do the transaction code also. Which we have to use that logistics unit and the plan OX14. Here it was in a plan. The first one is the plan. The other one is in a OX14, and the second one is divisions. What was the divisions transaction code is? OVXB. For the divisions was in a OVXB. So let's see what will happen. And first plan, define plan, selecting entries. What do you want? I am making here as an BOSP. which I am saying that Pune production unit, and then save it. I have taken one plant, and even in this plant there is a multiple of the division of the products will be going to manufacture. For that, in the OVXB, different division, select new place, B1, which is called as an unfolds. B1 is already there, BA, and BB, machines, and something, whatever you want. I've taken the BA and BB, and after completion of these two, again the purchasing organization and the storage location will be considered on the materials management and not under the logistics. It was on materials management. And that first one is the storage. For the creation of a storage location, it was in a OX09, and as well as for the creation of the purchasing organization, OX08. See, the storage location. When I am going to create the storage location, initially it asking me out of the plan. Under which plan you want to create the zone? Under which plan you want to create the storage location? So here I am giving the plant of BOSP. Under the BOSP, I am having the storage locations of anything, BOS1, Pune 1, and BOS2, Pune 2, and so on. And after completion of this one, purchasing organization, select new interface, BOS1, raw material purchasing organization, and BOS2, packing material purchasing organization, BOS3, chemicals purchasing organization, and so on. And after completion of these, next we have to go for the next one, that is the sales organization. Yes, sales organization. What do you mean by the sales organization? What do you mean by the sales organization? Can I say that sales department, which is responsible for all the sales activities of a particular company? Under the company code, whatever the sales activities will be happening, which is called as a sales organization, right? Which is responsible for all sales activities. Sales activities. And the next one is distribution channel. What do you mean by the distribution channel? Mode of the medium sales. Mode of the medium. From the sales organization, we are sending this comes to the customers. But is the customer or a consumer? Which we are selling to the customer, not for the consumer. If he is a customer, which type of the customer he is? As a distributor, or a wholesaler, or a stockist, or a sales agent? That is called as a distribution. And the third one, which is called as a sales office. What are the different types of offices which we are having under the sales organization? That means one sales organization can have a multiple of the sales offices, or which we can call as a physical area of the sales organization, or else the geographical area of a sales organization. That means here geographical area of a sales organization. And the last one is sales group. So what would be the sales group in the sense of nothing but like the The person who is responsible for the sales office. The person responsible for sales office. And for this, the first one, what is the transaction code? OBX5. And the second one, OBXI, distribution channel. And the third one, OBX1. And this one, OBX4. OBX4. These are the transaction code for creation of a sales organization, distribution channel, and sales office, and also the sales. Let's see here. From here, define sales organization, and then select new entries. BOSS, South Region Sales, and the currency of INR. This was mandate. Otherwise, and sale. Where the location is. And after what was the distribution channels which we are having? Distribution channel, new entries, which I can say that BA, which I am saying the distributors for BOSS, BB, wholesalers, BOSS, and the next, sales office. What is the physical office or the geographical offices for the sales office? BA, which I am saying the journal office. And physical office, that's why it asks me about the address. And BB, original office. And even whenever the sales office has been done, next we have to go for the sales group. The person who is responsible for the particular sales office. And this BJ, which I am saying the general manager, and BB, original manager. Yes. So in end-to-end implementation, which we are having the company code, consolidation business area, plan, storage location, division, purchasing organization, sales organization, distribution channel, sales office, sales group, totally 12. Totally 12 things will be there. See, when you are learning the sessions, not in the project, in the real time, general, in the classroom, the SD people is copying the sales or company code from the 100. Or else directly they are using the 100. But in this session, I am not doing like that. We can customize our own. We can do our customization of the full life cycle implementation. Then we can also have some idea about that. Okay. Yes, in the real time, what will happen? Okay. Whatever it was, today it was done, and tomorrow we will go for the assignments. Why? Because here there is a multiple of assignment to be there. Assign company code to company. Assign business area to consolidation business area. Plant to company code. Purchase organization to company code. Purchase organization to plan. Right. And the next one is the purchase organization division to plan. Sales organization to company code. Sales organization to distribution channel. Sales organization to division. Sales area. Sales area. Sales area to sales office. Sales office to sales group. Distribution channel sales organization to plan. Again, 80 to 20 steps will be there in a sense. That's right. This is enough for today, and tomorrow we will make the assignments. Then one full life cycle infrastructure will become, and also we can see the graph also for that infrastructure. We can see whatever we have created, the company code, sales organization, distribution channel plan. We will see that complete this inside, right? So this is enough for today, and tomorrow we will start with the enterprise section assignment. And this session also